Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, March 18th, 2016. We have a lot to talk about, so let's dive right into this. Temperatures this morning are in the lower to mid 40s throughout much of the region, upper 30s in some portions of the interior, with winds from the southwest veering to the northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures will rise today into the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast and lower to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley, but there will be a threat for showers as a cold front moves through the region. On the radar, not much to talk about right now. We do have those showers off to the north. They will drop through the region today, mostly in the afternoon. Now, this is going to be driven more by convective heating, which basically means instability in the atmosphere. So look for these showers, although to be scattered, to be capable of producing a heavy downpour for about 20 to 30 minutes and then exit the region rather quickly. So not a washout today, but certainly a threat for a shower here and there throughout the region, capable of a heavy downpour. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see that cold front approaching the region and another wave of low pressure in the upper Midwest. These low pressure systems will move through the region today, and by tomorrow, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover expected. Now, this is a complicated forecast heading into this weekend because there is potential for a coastal storm. The latest data is pushing this storm further east. So I'm going to illustrate exactly what the models are showing, what the maps are showing from WPC. But it is a fluid situation, so there is potential for this forecast to change, where we can end up with more snow or far less. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, again, the cold front moves through a few scattered showers. Look for high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast, lower to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight, that high pressure system will take hold with clearing skies into tomorrow morning, with winds from the northwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour and lows in the mid to upper 30s. Now, on Saturday, this low pressure system will organize and head towards the North Carolina coast. On Saturday evening, the latest guidance that literally just came out is starting to suggest an earlier start time with this is more of a snow shower here. This isn't a steady snowfall in any way, shape, or form. So look for increasing clouds on Saturday night with snow showers more towards Sunday morning than Saturday evening, in my opinion. I think the bulk of the precipitation will remain over the southern mid-Atlantic and not creep into the northern mid-Atlantic until later, as this high pressure system holds off the storm just a bit. Now on Sunday, this low pressure system is expected to track to the east-northeast rather than the northeast. Now if this storm tracks further closer to the coast, then we're going to end up with the potential for a significant snowfall over the northern mid-Atlantic. But there's a caveat to that. You see, the storm is actually moving faster too. So if the snowfall happens during the day with boundary layer temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, that means less snowfall accumulation. If the storm slows down, like some of the earlier model guides are showing, where the bulk of the snow happens on Sunday night, then that leads to a colder environment and more snowfall accumulation. And then there's the potential that this storm ends up being further east than what's even being forecasted now, which some models are starting to trend in that direction. And that, of course, would lead to very little snow at all. Basically, snow showers or rain snow showers on Sunday and snow showers into Sunday evening to early Monday morning, but not much in the way of accumulation. And of course, the further away you are from the coast, the more likely you will see less than an inch of snow because all of the precipitation will be focused on the coast or off the coast. So there's a lot of variables going into the storm on Sunday. So we're going to continue to watch it. I expect to have snow maps out by this afternoon once we get the latest morning guidance in, which I think will start to nail down this storm. So the storm moves through, looking for temperatures on Saturday to rise into the lower to mid 40s. On Sunday, we're looking for lows in the lower 30s, highs in the mid to upper 30s. Again, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s with very wet snow usually leads to a difficult accumulation potential. So it's a bit tricky in which that you can have 5 inches of snow via the QPF model output, but maybe a tenth of that actually accumulates on the ground because the ground is too warm. So again, a rather fluid situation I'm about to watch very carefully. On Monday morning, that low pressure system exits with snow showers in the morning and clearing skies towards the afternoon. Lows in the upper 20s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. High pressure will be in control for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday with increasing temperatures. There could be a threat for a few isolated showers on Wednesday and Thursday with that warm front. For Tuesday, look for lows in the lower 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s. On Wednesday, lows in the lower 40s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. You see the moderation in the pattern. And on Thursday, lows in the lower 50s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. And of course, on Friday, with high pressure in control, a threat for a few scattered showers, though, especially to the west, lows in the mid 40s, highs in the mid to upper 50s. That's your forecast discussion for today. I will continue to keep an eye on this storm and update throughout the day as I get more data on the potential impacts of this winter storm, which hopefully ends up further out into the Atlantic with no further impacts. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.